Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Do you know what's the real difference between an honest and a dishonest person? A dishonest person, at first, he seems to rise high. He gets respect, money, praise. Everything looks perfect for him. People think he's successful, but one day he starts to sink because inside he was built on lies and deceit. And the honest person? He struggles in the beginning, faces pain, neglect, and many tests from Allah. People ask, what's the use of being honest? But one day, that same person rises because his heart was built on truth and justice. In this world, he might face hardship, but in the hereafter, Allah will honor him because truth never sinks. It may rise slowly, but when it rises, it shines forever in the light of the hereafter. Allah says, indeed Allah loves the truthful. Surah Al-Imran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.